Hello, myself Kinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is only applicable in right angle triangle. First we understand its statement. Its statement is in a right triangle, that means right angle triangle. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. We understand this statement by figure. In our Pythagoras theorem, our statement is first we have right angle triangle. So we have right angle triangle A, B and C. Here angle B is 90 degree, that's why this is right angle triangle. So what is given in your statement? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to right angle, that means 90 degree. What you want to prove then? You want to prove that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides. In this figure, 90's opposite sides are hypotenuse, that's why in this figure our hypotenuse is AC. So we want to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now start our proof. For proving this, we consider here one altitude from this right angle triangle. So I construct here BD perpendicular on AC. So you should be right here. Construct BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC, that's why definitely this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also 90 degree. So you can write therefore angle ADB is equal to angle CDB is equal to 90 degree because we construct here perpendicular. Now consider this triangle and this triangle. Then this triangle and this triangle. This triangle and this whole triangle are similar by A criterion of similarity. Same way this small triangle and this right angle triangle are similar by A criterion of similarity. So we write now triangle ABC similar to triangle ADB. Why? Because in this small triangle you have angle A and this big triangle you have angle A. So one angle is common in both, and in ABC triangle angle B is 90 degree and this ADB triangle angle D is 90 degree. So you can write by AA criterion of similarity. These two triangles are similar. Now these two triangles are similar, apply definition of similarity. So by definition of similarity, what happened? Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides ratios are equal. So corresponding sides ratios are equal. AB upon AD is equal to BC upon BB or BD, whatever you want to write, AC upon AB. After this, now triangle ABC similar to triangle this. First we consider this triangle similar to this ABC. Now consider this triangle. So triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC. Same reason, by AA criterion of similarity. Why? Because in this ABC triangle angle B is 90 degree and this BDC triangle That's why these two are same. And C is common angle in both triangle. That's why this is also same. Now apply again definition of similarity. So by definition of similarity, corresponding side ratios are equal. So AB upon BD, BC upon BC, then AC upon BC. Now what we do? We want to prove here these squares. How this AC square become? If AC into AC, because x into x become x square, y into y become y square. That's why AC into AC become AC square. Same way AB into AB become AB square and BC into BC become BC square. That's why we consider here these two things, that product become itself and that's why become its square. So we consider these and this here. So AB upon AB is equal to AC upon AB. We just consider these two because we needed in our proof. So this become, take cross multiplication of these two. So this become AB into AB is equal to AD into AC. Therefore, AB square is equal to AD into AC. Give its name 1. Same way, which to consider, then it's make a product of something same. So this and this. So BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Now take cross multiplication. So we get BC into BC is equal to DC into AC. Give its name 2. Now we required here, sorry, don't give its name 2 after its product. BC square is equal to DC into AC. This is your 2. Now we required in our proof sum of these two square. That's why you write here. Now add 1 and 2. So left side addition with left side, right side addition with right side. So you can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AD into AC plus BC into AC. Now AC available in these two terms. That's why common take outside. So in first step remaining is AD plus as it is, in second step remaining is DC. Now write AC as it is. Now see in your figure. A dash B dash C. What do you mean by this thing? A, D, C, these 3 points are collinear. That means this line in a one line. That's why what happened? AD plus DC become AC. So instead of AD plus BC, you can write AC. So AC into AC become AC square. So our proof is completed by this way. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.